Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving on the finished section of the Maypen to Mandeville highway. This highway is still under construction. The entire project is about 90% complete, but we are driving on the section in Maypen. This is the section that's going to connect to the Rio Mino Bridge, and this section is complete. So we're just going to take a quick tour to show you guys what the road is going to look like. It's going to be a 4 lanes dual carriageway with a concrete barricade in the middle, similar to the highway from Kingston to Maypen. So this highway will run from the Maypen roundabout to the Williamsfield roundabout in Manchester. So it's going to take you from Clarendon to Manchester. And remember, Highway 2000 is a project to build a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay. But because of the cost of the highway, it's being built in phases. So this is phase 1C. Phase 1A and phase 1B are already completed, and this is phase 1C, which is the highway from Maypen to Mandeville. Then after this section is completed, they'll build the highway to another section and another section until it eventually reaches Montego Bay. So the Maypen to Mandeville highway will cost $188 million US, and it should be completed in March 2023. So let's just go through the alignment of the highway now. The new segment of the highway begins at the western end of the existing Maypen roundabout, and that's close to where this video started. It continues in a westerly direction across the Rio Mino Bridge, which is the bridge behind us, and then the route continues in a westerly direction passing south of the Bustamante Highway. The highway then passes south of the Four Parks Community, Osborne Store, Tollgate, and Clarendon Park. Then heads into the St. Tools area and continues through the hilly terrain. The highway then comes out and continues and merges with the existing Melrose Hill bypass. Now the Melrose Hill bypass will be incorporated into the new alignment of the highway. So the Melrose Hill bypass will be upgraded from 2